Carlo Ancelotti's tax trial, a footballing saga of alleged fraud. The hallowed halls of justice have become an unexpected pitch for Carlo Ancelotti, the esteemed Real Madrid manager. Currently facing trial in Spain, Ancelotti is accused of defrauding the Spanish tax office of over €1 million in undeclared image rights earnings. This isn't just a financial dispute. It's a captivating drama unfolding against the backdrop of the glamorous world of football, raising questions about the complexities of international tax laws and the responsibilities of high-profile athletes and their advisors. The prosecution paints a picture of deliberate evasion, alleging that Ancelotti, the seasoned manager with an impressive career spanning Chelsea, Everton, and now Real Madrid, strategically utilized shell companies outside of Spain to obscure the true source of his image rights income during 2014 and 2015. The stakes are high. A potential 4-year and 9-month prison sentence and a hefty €3.2 million fine hang in the balance. These are not merely numbers. They represent a significant challenge to Ancelotti's reputation and legacy. Ancelotti's defense, however, presents a starkly contrasting narrative. He maintains his innocence, asserting that he believed his financial affairs were meticulously managed and that he never thought a fraud could have been committed. He explains that when Real Madrid proposed a payment structure allocating 15% of his salary through image rights, he readily agreed, entrusting the complex details to his British financial advisor. In his testimony, he emphasized his belief that this arrangement was standard practice, mirroring the procedures followed by other players and the previous Real Madrid manager. This assertion raises intriguing questions about the prevailing norms within the football industry and whether the complexity of international tax regulations creates unintentional loopholes or even encourages deliberate avoidance. This case isn't an isolated incident. It's the latest chapter in a long-running saga of high-profile football figures facing scrutiny from Spain's tenacious tax authorities. Ancelotti's trial echoes the cases of several footballing giants, highlighting the potential pitfalls of navigating international tax laws, especially for those operating at the pinnacle of the sport. In 2016, Lionel Messi and his father faced similar accusations, eventually receiving 21-month prison sentences for tax evasion related to Messi's image rights. Despite the severity of the sentence, neither served time due to a legal provision that exempts sentences under 2 years for first-time offenders. This leniency, however, doesn't diminish the gravity of the accusations or the precedent set. Cristiano Ronaldo, another Real Madrid legend, acknowledged tax fraud in 2017, agreeing to pay an €18.8 million fine to avoid imprisonment. José Mourinho, a celebrated manager himself, also faced accusations of tax fraud during his time at Real Madrid, resulting in a suspended 1-year sentence and significant fines. Even Diego Costa, the Atletico Madrid striker, faced penalties for tax evasion in relation to his transfer to Chelsea. These prominent cases underscore a persistent trend: the vulnerability of high-earning football figures to complex tax regulations and the potential legal repercussions of perceived or actual noncompliance. The Ancelotti case raises several crucial questions. What are the responsibilities of athletes regarding the intricate details of their financial dealings? To what extent should athletes rely on the expertise of financial advisors? And what responsibility do football clubs bear in ensuring their players comply with tax regulations? These are not just legal questions. They are ethical dilemmas with implications that extend far beyond the football pitch. The outcome of Ancelotti's trial will undoubtedly shape the future of financial transparency and responsibility within the world of professional football, offering a critical case study for players, clubs, and financial advisors alike. The drama surrounding Ancelotti's trial highlights the often blurred lines between legitimate financial structuring and deliberate tax evasion, casting a spotlight on the complexities of navigating the global financial landscape in the highly lucrative world of professional football. The case serves as a stark reminder of the importance of careful financial planning, transparent dealings, and professional advice for high-profile athletes navigating the intricate maze of international tax regulations. The legal battle is far from over, and the world awaits the verdict. curious to see how the court will weigh the evidence and shape the future of tax compliance within the world of football.